Real estate term of the day, deficiency clause. Deficiency clause is the only clause that must be in a loan. Why? Because it protects the borrower. What does it say? As long as I am doing my end, lender, you cannot change our agreement. That's all it says. I'm making my payments. I'm paying on time. You cannot now come back and say, hey, we're going to change the interest rate. Hey, it's no longer 30 years, it's going to be 15 years. They can't do that. And this clause protects the borrower from the lender doing anything different than what it was agreed upon when you sign the loan. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want a one-on-one tutoring session with me on the pre-sales and the broker for the state test, please pick a time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Till next time.